This is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today we're going to be doing a piece that is called Red, White, and Blue. Our colors are here. First color is Lamp Black by Amsterdam. The second color is Brûlée by This Little Piggy. Third one is Grenache by This Little Piggy. And last is Velvet by This Little Piggy. If you missed anything, don't worry about it. Everything is listed down in the description below. Going down now is the pillow paint. This is PPG Multi-Pro, and I get this at Home Depot. It is my go-to for pillow paints. Love the way the consistency. This is the size of the tile. It's 6 by 6. I also get those at Home Depot. Going down first is Velvet. Now you're gonna look. It looks like it's white on the canvas. As you can see in the cup, it actually is an interference blue. And if it goes against a dark color, it'll be even more dynamic and blue. It's actually one of my favorite interference colors. Next down is Grenache, This Little Piggy. And Grenache is a very deep red with lots and lots of iridescence to it. I'm going to put down some lamp black, and the lamp black is just meant to give something for the velvet to go across so that you can see the blue in it. I'm going to swipe the velvet through the darker colors. This is without selecting. Okay, this is Brûlée. It is a creamy, goldy, tan color in reality. It has lots and lots of shine. Everything that's down here, minus the lamp black that I put down in the middle, is a pigment. Started out in powder form, and I loosened it up with a little bit of varnish, and then added my pouring medium to it, so that to make the paint. So there's a little bit more trick to it than just than a tube paint. Next is going to be the cell activators. This is titanium white and lamp black, both mixed with 3 parts Australian floetrol to 1 part paint. If you're interested at all in learning how I mix my paints, how I mix my pigments and my cell activators, and what to look for in a pillow paint, check out my 101 series of how-tos. It'll explain everything that I do. While I was talking, I added a couple of swipes in there to get some more cells going on. Now I'm going to pick up a skewer and I'm going to enhance what the lines that are there. I'm just trying to work with my composition and enhance. So this is the fun part. As you can see, I'm just outlining pretty much where the flow points were anyhow. And that's always when it's the best result is when you actually make it look organic to what was in the painting originally. Give it a spin, open up the cells, spread the paint across the rest of the tile. I spun this out quite a bit. It's the nice thing about working on a smaller surface. You don't get as much change as quickly. So you can take some liberties with it. Seeing how much paint is left on the tile and what I can do. I'm actually, I have 3 corners there that have not enough paint on them. So I've decided to pull out my pillow paint, just put down a little tiny bit on 2 of the corners. And spin it again, see if I can to get that paint that's over on that side to spread out just a little bit. That's what I'm getting the bikini's corners over there, as Karen Durskin says. And quite a bit of spin off here that's starting to happen. So I took some of the color layer and added it to the places where I'd like to have a little bit more color. A little bit of the lacing on that side. And spin this out a little bit more, and I think we're getting close to being done with it. With that, I think it's about time for the flyover. I'm really digging the black and the white cells there. The shadows over there on the right-hand side, I could be happy with those, and the white cells over the blue. Just overall, I'm just really happy for a little piece. This is really very nice. I'd like to see if I can maybe duplicate this on a larger piece sometime soon. If you enjoyed today's video, I invite you to give me a like. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos that I'll put out. It's my goal to put out at least 2 per week, and I'm hoping you're finding them useful and enjoyable. Thanks for being here. Bye now.